Hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Brown Indian Girl. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who have been watching my videos. It is such a big encouragement which keeps pushing me to come back, make a video. And more I'm realizing it just feels like such an open letter, open diary, and it just feels amazing. So thanks again. I know I wanted to start with what no one talks about when you move abroad, but before that, I just saw this news and it breaks my heart, and I really want to talk about that. So, Mumbai will have no water in 40 days, and it just broke my heart in thousand pieces that Mumbai is a king of monsoon. Monsoon is like a crown which Mumbai holds with other things. It is just so gorgeous, and Mumbai, I never thought in a billion trillion years that Mumbai will go dry. And I am so far, I can't do anything, and I just feel so bad. Mumbai is my home, my family, it has accepted me with open arms. I'm just so sad. Like, we human beings got everything in abundance in nature, and we managed to screw it up beautifully. Wind, water, air, oxygen, soil, plants, trees, which was in abundance, which was doing good to us, not even as a favor. They are just so unconditional, and we managed to make them scar. We managed to screw them so badly. I don't know what's happening, but I have faith in universe, and I believe that universe have bigger plans for us, and it will be fine. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and I hope this situation resolves. At least people shouldn't have to beg and cry for the basic stuff, which is literally free of cost, just to live. So, I don't know. Keeping my fingers crossed again. Now let's talk about things which no one tells you when you're moving abroad. First thing, don't compare dollar to rupees. No, no, no. That's a crime. That is unnecessary, irrelevant stress. You don't need that. You have thousand things already to worry about. Please don't do that to yourself. It's a reflex thing. So you have to train yourself, tell yourself no, but do it. It's not worth it. You are coming from underdeveloped or developing country to a developed country. There's a reason why you came here, because it's just super different. Why would you do that? No one tells you that don't do it, because it's crazy. You would go and buy anything immediately, you will compare. Of course that will be expensive. Have you seen the rate change? And then thanks to inflation, everything is going crazy already. So no. Now, second thing, I find this thing super adorable. I get so many cute little nicknames everywhere, and I just enjoy, and I love that. Although Shivani is a very simple name, even in English apparently, so it's not tough for people to mispronounce, but still it's like, Shivani, I don't know, Ani, it's just nice to hear all of that. On the other side, when I go to the coffee shop, sometimes they really butcher my name in a way which sounds like a curse or a swear in Hindi, but it is also very refreshing, because I would have never ever imagined my name in that combination of spelling. So I really like it. Third thing, people here eat a spicy food. Yeah, that is 100% true. In fact, sometimes I think I'm just like a black weird sheep that I can't eat spicy food, but people here love spicy food. I know who eat more spicy than I am. You know what? It's wrong. I'm the worst benchmark for spicy food, but yeah, and they expect me to eat spicy, but I cannot. So it was a very refreshing thing to see that, wow, we think so different about the kind of food you eat, but it's not like that. So yeah, here people can eat spicy food. They love that. Not everyone, but most of them. And the fourth thing I want to talk about is please go and meet people from different countries. Don't stick with your Indian community. No one is asking you to cut ties, being in touch, but that's the whole point of coming abroad, by moving abroad, right? Expand your horizon, how you think, because you have been thinking in certain way, but now you get to know different people, to know different culture, and just don't ruin this. Stay with different kind of people. I think I see here most of the time is like we are just surrounded and we hang out with our own people, people from our own country, and we just don't step out. Probably that's a comfort zone, but you have to. You are already out in your discomfort zone, so make best use of it. Go out, meet people. There are so many things. It will change your perspective, but only if you want to. And I promise you, it will have an amazing, phenomenal difference. I love that thing and I have experienced that thing. So no matter how much I say, you have to experience yourself. And the last thing, please don't fill your suitcase with groceries. You have big, huge grocery stores here which sells everything. Patel Market, everything. I know Devanshri, there's a big wholesale farmers market kind of thing. It's not expensive. And you will get everything. You won't believe I got my gooseberry. Like I drink vegetable juice in the morning and finally I'm getting back to the routine I had back in India. I found frozen gooseberries, but I found it. And I'm like, oh my God. So pressure cooker, idli stand, I don't know, the pans you will get on Amazon. Otherwise, you will get it. So don't stuff your luggage with all those things. Thankfully, I did not. But I had it in my mind, shit, I'm missing out. What if? What if? I'm like, you know what? Priority. But that is something least of your concern. So you can forget about it and pack stuff which you might want to keep with you, like some really nice Indian clothes. Uh, yeah, the clothes are, I love clothes. So that is what I can think of. Shoes also you will get, but something very cultural specific. Keep that because you will need that. Rest, you will get everything. Thank you so much for watching again. I'm going to see you guys next week and hope you guys have fantastic, fantastic, fantastic week. Looks like it's going to rain. It has been raining really mad, but it's beautiful. So, if you like whatever I talk, please hit like, subscribe, and comment if you want to talk about something or your Chicago to, oh, sorry, Buried to Chicago story or anything. I love talking. I guess by this time, you guys have got a hint. So I'll see you guys next week.